So hello guys, this is some of the rarest species of orchid. As you can see, uh, this collection was seen in the University of Agriculture, Kuch Bihar, and these are called banda, and there are different species of orchid flowers. As you can see, there are so beautiful orchids dangling in in their own way. There are various colors which could be found here. See this flower, see this orchid flower. Oh my god, that's really amazing, interesting. So see guys, these are some rare kind of orchid flowers.